Okay friends, welcome to my channel. It's iCan TV. Just kind of starting out with this YouTube thing, don't really know what I'm doing. So forgive me for the video quality. I wanted to give you a tour today of the 1979 B300 camper van. It's got a 360 engine. Lots of power. Bought it for $3,000 in the spring. It's now July, and probably got another 1,000 into it now, and about 150 hours of work. Tried to keep this van as original as possible while bringing it up to date, cleaning it, and as you see from the tour inside, redoing the interior and redoing the exterior as well. So I guess we'll start with kind of do a roundabout tour. So if you'll follow me. Everything works, and as you can see, it's pretty clean for the year. Didn't have to do a whole lot of work on the overall body. One nice thing is that it's got the one-piece fiberglass top. It gives you a lot of headroom, over 6 feet, and I'm only about 5'8", and my fiance is about 5'4", so you know, it feels pretty roomy in there. It's got the bed over the cab, which is quite nice. It pulls out into a bed. I'll show you that when we do the interior tour. So you can look down this side of the van. It's quite nice because it's got the, if you look there, it's got the two big side windows. And just down there you can see there's a pretty good sized propane tank. We can run our stove and our fridge off that, and our propane heater for a week, even more, depending on how much we use it. So I'll give you a walk around the back here. It's got the big back door. Lots of storage. And if we come, have a look in the back here. So it's got the back bathroom. I redid the floor, put a new toilet in. I'm still working on the interior walls, which we'll see when we go inside. And that's all the storage. So I'll close the door. Give you a little more long-range view. So if we come around this side here real quick. I had to redo that entire back bottom panel there. It was rusted out, and I'll include a picture in this video. Bondo and spot welding and sheet metal. I think it came out pretty good. And I did the same on the other bumper, or on the other panel on the other side. Had the same problem, quite rusted. So it looks pretty good, I think, for a total layman when it comes to body work. So we put some cheap plastic rims on it. I'm still looking for the Dodge Originals. I'd like to put those on in the future. Nice thing about this van when we got it is the awning. It was totally functional and in pretty good shape. This is the extended van from 1979, and it was made by a company called Custom Coach, which I think was out of Kelowna. Maybe in the comments, if anyone wants to leave a comment, they can let me know exactly where it was made. I'm looking online trying to figure that one out, trying to find that. I'd like to know the history of it. So here we'll go, we'll have a little tour of the interior. So you can see, try to give you a better view here. It's got the table that converts into a double bed. I put laminate flooring and redid all the carpet. The carpet was kind of a pukey orange. So I redid the carpet, but tried to keep it, like I said, as original as possible. You can see the two big windows. You come in and have a look. You'll see it's got quite a bit of room because of being the extended version. If you turn around here, you can have a look at the cab. We got our friend Moo there sitting in one of the chairs. It pivots around. Cab's in pretty good condition, and I redid all the carpet in the cab. So now we'll go into the van here. If you can see there's the fridge back there. We got it's just a 19-inch TV, but it's enough for what we need. We've got a 3,000 watt inverter that runs off the house battery. There's lots of counter space on this side. There's the propane stove. Give you a little view of this side of the van. It doesn't have an oven, so everything down below is storage. Curtains are original. I'm pretty sure they're original from 40 years ago. We've got a little corner sink. And if you come back here, our bathroom, our toilet, the new floor. So, the counters. I painted the upper portion with latex paint, 2 coats, and Kills. And as you can see, there was no water damage in this van whatsoever, so that was really nice. It's hard to find, but because of the one-piece fiberglass roof, as I said. This is the bed up top. Obviously, you can see all our blankets and things up there now. But that pulls out into a nice double bed, and we got a ladder that goes up there. And then there's this side of the van. We've got it's not a full-size fridge. Works great though. Nice and cold, keeps everything cold. And that's pretty much it for the inside of the van. You can see the laminate flooring that I did. So we'll head back out of the van here. I did that trim in that carpet and cleaned up the paint around the door. So this door closes, latches, and that one. So we'll just give you one more a little far out view here. $19.79, not bad. In the winter, I'm going to put some winter tires on it, some new tires. If you come around here, I'll start it up. carbureted engine, no fuel injection, and she sucks fuel. About 20 bucks per 100 kilometers. That's what I kind of got it figured at. So here we go. I did a little bit of work on the engine, not much. I got to give a shout out to Seafoam and some carburetor cleaner. I put a new fuel pump on it. It cost me about $100. It'll idle up. As you can see, everything's 100% original in here. Dash, windows, seats, and that's the color. That's the orange that it was originally. Everything through the van was orange. So I changed the carpet into that cream, but left it the shag, because it is a 1979, of course. You can see the side of the door. It's really clean. It's really clean here. So you can hear it run. It runs pretty nice. So there she be. Leave some comments if you like the van. Have owned one in the past. If you got any suggestions for, different things I might do to it to bring it up to 100%. I'd like to bring it up to 100% original. It's a classic, 40 years old. And yeah, please hit the like button and maybe subscribe. So thanks for watching iCanTV. And I'll just tell you that we're here in a place called Ghost Lake Recreations Campground. And just across the way is Ghost Lake Reservoir. I'll give you a little view of the area just to let you. So we're about maybe half an hour to 45 minutes west of Calgary, Alberta. See, it's quite beautiful here. We've been out about 4 times camping, and every time something happens, we had to put a new battery in it. And we ran out of fuel once. Little things like that. Figuring out all the little quirks. Anyhow, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And comment. Let me know what you think of our van. Our new old camper van. Bye for now.